Representatives from the private sector and public sectors in agriculture, health, education, and law gathered at the Grand Coastal Hotel East Coast, Demerara, for the talks on the Food Security and Nutrition Bill on Thursday. While the government's commitment to food security is evident, current laws do not adequately protect the right to food as it should. According to FAO's Guyana representative Dr. Gillian Smith, food security is more than reducing hunger and eating healthy.
Food security is not just agricultural production. Food security is not just nutrition. All of these bits and pieces fit together. And when they fit together well, this is when you have food security. When all persons at all times have access to the kind of food they need that is going to make them fit and productive and healthy to lead the productive lives that they should be leading, to be able to contribute to building a nation. So that's the big task at hand. And as you can imagine, it is no one entity, no one organization, no one set of persons' tasks.
Guyana produces enough food to meet all nutritional needs, but according to Dr. Smith, the issue is the affordability to healthy and balanced foods. Meanwhile, the Director of Planning for the Ministry of Agriculture, Natasha Birgit Dionarine, said it is important for the country's national development to advance policies in the medium and long term for food security.
We envisage the creation of a legislation that will seek to ensure that everyone, particularly the vulnerable groups, has access to food. Naturally, therefore, the legislation would provide for a framework that supports the national food production and nutrition system that is characterized by quality control and distribution, that guarantees access and improved consumption, one that ultimately enhances our health and nutrition of the Guyanese people.
The Food Security and Nutrition Bill aims to establish the necessary institutions that will monitor the food system and implement procedural mechanisms for persons to petition the court if their rights are violated. The legislation will further contribute to the creation of sustainable economic opportunities in food production and reduce hunger and poverty. Reporting for the newsroom, I am Isanella Patwo.